喂。
What should I do if the AirPods Pro 1 doesn't speak clearly and can't wake up Siri?
Siri.
He will not respond. Then at this time, we should not panic. Then open this. Click it and scroll down. Scroll down. Check this. The highest version of AirPods Pro 1 is 6F21. If it's not, you need to update it. Then we need to reset the device. Forget this device. Yes, click forget. Then he reset the earphone. Here, this earphone and this one. Here, this earphone. Clean this. Now let's start cleaning the earphones. Clean the earphones. Wipe it. Wipe the earphones. Wipe it. After reconnection. Mainly, you must choose this transparent mode. Turning on the transparency mode may solve the problem of unclear speech and inability to wake up Siri. Only then can there be this hearing aid. It's in the earphones. Find this mode. Let's test whether the method we just used is effective. And by the way, check the left and right earphones. There is a left and right ear switching mode here. After turning on this mode, there is a left and right ear switch here. We can say here,
Hi Siri. Hey Siri.
It will respond here. Then let's do it again with our right ear.
Hey Siri.
It will respond. Let's test if the method we just used is effective. And by the way, check the left and right earphones. It's the recording function. Now we start recording. It must stop for 3 seconds. It will start recording after 3 seconds. Record 15 seconds. Measure once on each side.
Hey Siri.
Oh, we can do it here. To turn on the ripple, this ripple, and then play this music. Look at the waveform. If the waveform is not correct, then there is a high probability that there is a problem. And if you hear any current noise, or some other dull sounds, then its radio function must be broken. I didn't worry about this situation. We sell genuine second-hand Apple earphones. We have professional colleagues who conduct quality inspections on Apple earphones. We have a wide range of headphones and goods available here. We have a wide range of genuine Apple earphones here. This is AirPods Pro 1. They are all genuine Apple earphones in good condition. The price is cheap, which can save a lot of money. Pick up a genuine Apple earphone at random. All are high-end, good condition, genuine Apple earphones with long battery life. We sell the charging in bags, and our price are still very, very good.